Time now for our bite of the week, and it comes from Robert Richards, who lost 13 pounds while battling the coronavirus.
Now, Mr. Richards says because of the virus, his lungs are damaged and he now has to stay home for another 2 weeks even after testing negative for the virus.
His appeal to persons who continue to flout the COVID-19 prevention measures is our bite of the week.
Going to parties, going to the bar, going to the restaurant, going to the gym, all these are high-risk areas in every single bit of research that has been shown. It is your life that you're putting at risk. If you're a parent and you have a child and you're taking that risk, irresponsible, a full no-no. So again, mask, shield, social distance. And if you don't have to, tan your yard.
And the primetime package continues right after this break with sports.